咱那不让人老我的全是。说来了。你咋说来着
？The elderly man shouts for the blessings for bountiful harvest. Then the mat we call kyak for the harvest. After laying off this mat pack, now the elderly people signals now the elders signals villagers who came for harvest to go for plucking the millets carefully, as it is hard-earned crops carrying all year long, and all the men and women start to leave for harvest, singing traditional harvest song with expressing the joy to the Creator for blessing this beautiful harvest, which have been longing for the years. This is a season where they are very happy to be part of this beautiful harvest. The farm is located in the beautiful hills of Mungtsüwong Village of Pungro Subdivision under Kifri district of Nagaland. These are only few villagers in Nagaland that millet is considered as one of the lucrative cash crop of Nagaland. Thus, the village level revolutionized all the farmers will get together, light up and pluck all the millets carefully one after another, that not even a single millet is left, singing traditional song of happiness that throughout the year they have waited this moment for the plentiful harvest. This is a village lifestyle of our Yimkhiung Naka. The villagers are very happy to be a part of this bountiful and beautiful harvest time. In the meantime, elder people will seek above that there will be a bountiful harvest with the songs as they sing with joy. Now, all the men will get together and stand in lines to crush the millets by the foot in order to separate and segregate the millet seeds and its flakes. This is a joyous moment for the villagers to crush and get the millets. The people are divided into 3 to 4 groups, where men will crush all the millets with their bare feet, and the woman will collect all the crushed ones, and the third group will use this pure in Yimkhiung dialect and Chalani in Hindi or Nagamese, made of traditional system. Even the filter is made of bamboo. We call it aikyang, traditionally made for filtration of crops. This is followed one after another in order to get pure millets, sing beautiful song with their hearts for a clean harvest. This is the moment they have been waiting for throughout the year, cleaning and carrying the fields. The village life is more of enjoyable, especially during this season, harvesting season. The millets are one of the most important food items for the Yimkhiung people in particular and to Nagas in general. The millet food is served only to one of the best friends or guests who have highest status amongst our people or in the society. It also acted as a lifesaver where it is harvested in the middle of the year. The millet gives life-changing towards the farmers as those who have harvested barley in last years. This millet will give them alternate source of food with rich vitamins. The millet is one of the most precious food items in today's world, where in most villages millets are not cultivated anymore. The government of Nagaland also encourages all the villagers to grow millets, as it is also declared one of the best organic and commercial food items in our state. This is a millet harvest from Mungtsüwong Village under Bongo sub-division of Shri district in Nagaland. The crushing bird of men group have finished, and the second group will come and separate its hugs so that they will get easy filtration for the millets. Now the woman will pour it into baskets, followed by a man who blow its wind from the chalani or this will separate all the impurities as well as the empty hugs, so that the villagers will get pure, healthy millets. This is the traditional system of harvesting millets. Thank you so much, Mungtsüwong villagers, for keeping the spirit and cultivating the millet, where most of the farmers across the state has declined to put millet as a main source of our farming. Now all the boys, all the men sit, relax and watch the filtration system.
Hey, hey, whoa, 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 hey, hey.
After successful and bountiful harvest, They are ready to celebrate the bountiful harvest, followed by merrymaking with the millet food with Naga style tasty porks. Truly tasty.